Be honest. You wake up, you're exhausted, and the very first thing you do is reach for your phone. 15 minutes later, you're still in bed, scrolling through TikToks of cats or someone making a sandwich. You haven't even started your day, but your brain already feels like a browser with 50 tabs open, and music playing from an unknown tab. You think you're just lazy, right? Wrong. Your brain isn't broken. It's been hacked. The apps on your phone are literally rewiring the most advanced supercomputer on the planet, your mind. Today we're looking under the hood of your biological machine to see how cheap dopamine is destroying your motivation, and more importantly, how you can reset the system. First, let's clear up a massive lie. Dopamine is not the happy chemical. It's the go-get-it chemical. It's the fuel for your motivation engine. Imagine you're a caveman thousands of years ago. You see a bush with berries. Your brain releases a spike of dopamine that says, "Hey, calories, go get them so we don't die." You put in the effort, you get the berries, and you survive. Your brain rewarded you for doing hard work. But fast forward to today. You don't have to hunt. You just tap a glowing rectangle, and a guy on a bike brings you a 2,000 calorie pizza. Boom. Massive dopamine spike. Zero effort. This is what we call cheap dopamine. And tech billionaires know exactly how it works. Every time you swipe down on a short video, your brain acts like it's pulling the lever on a slot machine. Will the next video be funny? Will it be boring? Let's find out. This unpredictability blasts your brain with dopamine levels it was never designed to handle. Reading a book gives your engine a slow, steady stream of fuel. Scrolling social media is like pouring rocket fuel into a Honda Civic. Sure, it goes fast for a second, but then the engine literally blows up. And here is where the real damage happens. Your brain hates being overstimulated. It wants balance. So to protect itself from this daily tsunami of rocket fuel, it does something called down-regulation. It literally removes dopamine receptors. It shuts down the landing pads. What's the result? A massive crash. Now, normal things like studying, going to the gym, or even having a conversation feel physically painful. They just don't produce enough dopamine to make you care. You haven't lost your drive, you've just fried your senses. So, how do we fix this? How do we reboot the body machine? You need a dopamine detox, but you don't need to go live in a cave for a month. Start with the 1 hour rule. For the first 60 minutes after you wake up, no screens, period. Don't touch the phone. Let your brain wake up on natural fuel. Drink a glass of water, look at the sunlight, or just stare at the wall. Yes, it will be incredibly boring for the first few days. That means it's working. Your brain is rebuilding those receptors. Next, replace cheap dopamine with earned dopamine. Go for a run, lift some weights, or solve a difficult coding problem. Force your engine to work for the fuel again. Your body is the most incredible machine you will ever own, but it only works if you put the right fuel in it. Stop letting algorithms control your engine. Take the wheel back. If you want to learn more about how to upgrade your biological machine, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.